standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in.
Hello everyone, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. I do hope by the end you'll hit that subscribe button and you'll want to become friends. So I have my paid Boxycharm. I unboxed my PR box earlier this month. Wasn't bad, but my paid box, so much better. And I got to choose one item, so that was kind of cool. So I have that box. Actually, I don't have the box. I have the products outside the box because my dog waits for me to take the products out and give her the box because she likes to tear it up. Yeah, if I have a clip of that, I'll put that in here. Okay, so Boxycharm is $27.99 a month. You get to customize one item in your box. You get 5 items, usually totaling about $100 or more. So I had already used the Jaclyn Black Glow Drops. It just made my skin really, really glowy, but I did like it. And the card here has my 5 items on it. And let me tell you, the Jaclyn Black Drops has a $20 value. And then we see a repeat item, Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Retinol Overnight Serum. I've gotten her 3 times now. 2 of the times was this year. Same box. I'm like, okay. So I've been using her. She kind of smells like Lemon Pledge. Just saying. I don't really know if she makes too much of a difference. I do know that Juice Beauty is a little bit overpriced if you ask me. This is a $72 value. Yeah, like, stop it. That kills me. So that's a second item in there. And then I got these Vitamasks, Cranberry and Apple Probiotic Repair, which look really good. How many masks are in here? Let's look. She's got a $24 value. There's 3. I'm not big on cheap masks, but I will use them. $24 value. And then my favorite, no, not yet, there's 2 items left. The Phase Zero Eyeshadow Palette. She's got a $40 value. It says it's a new launch. Here she is here. She is what I have on my eyes. This was pretty buttery and it worked really well. I have a clip of me using these eyeshadows, so I'll put that in here for you. All right, so we have the Phase Zero eyeshadow palette. Here it is here. I have I think a blush palette from Phase Zero, a few of those. Anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a blending brush, a Morphe one, and we're gonna try this out. I don't think they have shade names. They probably do on the back. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to swirl this in my crease. I have hooded eyes, so I like to place my shadow a little bit above the crease. This is a brown with, like, in this lighting, it looks like a purplish undertone to it, which I kind of like. Yeah, I do. I kind of like that. All right, let me go ahead and grab. Here we go. Gonna go in with a Luxie brush in this lightest color in the palette. I'm gonna put that in the inner corner and bring it over. We're just gonna do a quick everyday look. You'll hear Kayla in the background. That is pretty. I like that. Not bad. Okay, I'm going to take the other side of this brush and we're going to go in with one of these darker colors here for the outer portion, the outer corner, and kind of blend that in. I like very much. Yeah, definitely. All right, let's go ahead and grab another. Hang on, we might need a stiffy. Stiffy. No, you know what? Like this is a lavish brush. I'm gonna go ahead and go into a color I haven't went into yet. And we're just gonna place that at the lower lash line. Kind of flick it outward. I'm gonna add some liner. And I'll be right back. And then we will focus on the last item, which I think is probably my favorite. The Tresloose Beauty Liquid Lip Tint. Yeah. The Black Glow Drops and Daring by Tresloose Beauty. Lip Tint. Okay, so it's a tint. I'm gonna rip the box, but that's okay. Here she is. Oh, she looked pretty in the packaging. Let's see how she is out of the packaging. Small applicator. Ooh, whew, that's like a berry kind of smell. Bananas and strawberry? Definitely a lip tint. Ah, it smells so good though. I actually like that. I like her. Like, I was surprised. I'm gonna do a swatch on the back of my hand. She definitely is just a lip tint, and you can see here this is a very tiny applicator, but I kind of like that better because then you don't get it all over your lips, like if you're applying it in a hurry, you know what I mean? So here is what she looks like here. She has an $18 value, but I like it. So overall, this was a really good box and way better than my PR box. Have you guys noticed that? Because I know you've all seen Boxycharm unboxed this month already, considering, what's today, 16th, I think? Today's the 16th. So my box is a little bit later. Okay, it's a fly in here. But yeah, all right, so let's recap. The lip tint, which I like a lot. The Phase Zero eyeshadow palette. Like her a lot. I'll put some swatches in here for you. The Juice Beauty is going to go on my shelf of, I'll probably wind up giving her to somebody else or selling her. The Jaclyn Black Glow Drops, and I'll put a clip in here of what they look like in the back of my hands. And then the Vitamasks, Cranberry and Apple. That's everything. I'll put the total value of this box on the screen. Now it's your turn. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. And I look forward to talking with you there. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.